Okay, so we've been looking at ratio, and this one says write the ratio of happy cats to scary cats. So first thing is pay attention to the order that they're asking them to write it in, for you to write it in, because if it says happy cat to every scaredy cat, the happy needs to be first and the scaredy needs to be second. All right, now just like in fractions that can be simplified, ratios can also be simplified. So since we're familiar with fractions, let's do that first. Let's say I have a fraction of 4/12. Okay. We know that we could make this a lot smaller, right? And it would be equivalent to what we have already written. For example, I know that both the 4 and the 12 could be made smaller by dividing them in half. What would that be? If I divided the 4 in half, what would that be? That would be 2. If I divided I just said the answer, haha. The 12 in half, what would that be? That would be 6. Could I make it even smaller? Yes. Look, I could say, oh my gosh, I know that if I divided 2 by 2, that would be 1. It's a really ugly one. My God. Just pretend that's a really pretty one. I don't know. All right. And if I divided 6 by 2, that would be 3. So 4/12 is the same as 2/6, which is the same as 1/3. I could have also said I could divide 4 by 4 and get 1, and divide 12 by 4 and get 3. That would have been the easiest way to do it. Okay, but we've got the same thing going here with our happy cats and scaredy cats. How many scaredy cats do we have? Or excuse me, how many happy cats do we have? Let's start with that since the order is important. We have 1, 2, 3 beautiful happy cats that may possibly be in love, may have just found their first boyfriend. Love is in the air, my friends. So there are 3 happy cats for every, so this is a colon, 2 dots, 2 periods on top of each other, for every how many scaredy cats? I'm enjoying saying happy cat and scaredy cat. So for scaredy cat, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. 7 and 8. All right, so for every 3 happy cats, I have 8 scaredy cats. I hope that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, so using the word 2, you could also say 3 happy cats to every 8 scaredy cats. But for us, we're going to use what words? We're going to use for every. So here you will write 3 for every 8. Now with the colon, 3 for every 8 as a fraction, 3 for every 8. And that is how you convert it into fractions.